Yo, just a reminder that my computer is doing me, somewhat to prevent me for downloading my catches on the computer. So I guess we're going back to my 2018 roots, and we're starting to edit with fucking iMovie again. Except the thing is that it's gonna be on the phone instead of the computer unlike back in 2018. But hey, you know what can do. So yeah, enjoy.
The National Weather Service in Salt Lake City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Salt Lake County in northern Utah, East Central Davis County in northern Utah, until 11:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 10:44 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Syracuse to near West Bountiful, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Layton, Farmington, Kingsville, Centerville, and Fruit Heights. This includes Interstate 15 between mile markers 321 and 329. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. On the Great Salt Lake, get away from the water and move indoors or inside a vehicle. Remember, lightning can strike out to 15 miles from a parent thunderstorm. If you come near thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Move to safe shelter now. Do not get caught on the water in the thunderstorm. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following counties in Utah: Davis and Salt Lake.